You ready, baby?
Reggie.
Let's do this.
Stretch.
All right, we're about to go on this hike that requires some ladders.
You to be aware.
Requires being aware. Be aware.
And we said it was 24th.
24th.
And what time is it?
10:13.
There's always room for paperwork. So, I used to, remember I was telling you, I think I told you in one of my long drawn out stories. Oh, what is it? 2680 something, question mark, there you go. License plate, Boy Scout, we do all our Boy Scout hiking up here, white copy deposit. No money, they don't want any money. I'll put some money in there for them. On our way down. We'll throw some money in there for him. But one of my explorer groups was the Appalachian Search and Rescue. That we would, we were a bunch of high school kids and we get called out to go on like little search and rescues for hikers lost in the woods and stuff like that. But most of our stuff was up in West Virginia. But I think our area came all the way down to North Carolina. Just never in the time that I was in there did we ever have to come down here.
So you never been up this trail?
Nah, I've never been. I think I've been in the Smokey Mountains at one point, but mostly I was further up north in the Shenandoah Mountain Range. But they're all part of the Appalachians, but they kind of break them up into different little ranges. So this is the Great Smokies. And I want to say these are some of the highest ones. Actually, these are the higher mountains than the ones further up north. But the ones further up north are way more rugged because they get beat down by winter a lot more.
By the snow?
By the snow and the ice and all the crap. But that's what I was telling you yesterday. Up north is the White Mountains, the Presidential Range. And that's like Mount Washington, and then all the rest of them, Jefferson and Madison. But those like are only like 5,500 feet, which are not by any means big as far as mountains go. But up there, they're just beaten down. So you get like at 4,000 feet or whatever it is, and you're above tree line already. Whereas in like Utah, like 7,000 feet, you're still in the tree line. Or whatever it is. I don't know what tree line is on Western Mountains. Fat kid sweats.
This is the Flat Rock view. I think we can walk over here. It looks a little bit icy. This is where the adventure begins. There's some footprints.
Oh shit! Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't know this was solid ice.
Yeah, that's why I'm holding on.
Oh shit.
I don't know. Get up here, I'm not gonna be able to come down.
Should be alright.
We made it! Halfway point.
Is it?
I don't know.
Up there. A little icy. Hello. Nice little lean-to. Ah, nice. This is where we used to. They put some varnish or something over the wood to preserve it a little better. I still love grandfather. Lydia age 10, Sam age 4. 2016, Sam and I returned. Oh. Oh. Careful up here.
Does it feel sturdy?
Oh, it's sturdy. Through it.